Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best scented tea lights are probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to instantly transform your home's atmosphere, offering a wide array of fragrances to suit any mood or occasion. From calming lavender to invigorating citrus, the right scented tea light can create the perfect ambience for relaxation, romance, or even a lively gathering, making them an essential addition to any home decor enthusiast collection. Number 5. Exquizite Group Scented Tealights. These tea light candles will add coziness to any setting. They come in 4 delightful holiday scents: pumpkin spice, apple cinnamon, orange clove, and autumn leaves. Indulge your senses and create a relaxing atmosphere. You get 64 highly scented candles in this bulk pack. It's a great deal for events, weddings, or simply adding ambience to your home. They're perfect for various occasions and settings. These candles are made with essential oils and high-grade, lead-free cotton wicks. They burn cleanly for 3 to 4 hours without dripping, sputtering, or spilling, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. They come in attractive packaging, making them a wonderful gift for friends, family, or colleagues. These candles add a touch of elegance to any occasion and are perfect for any candle lover. We're confident you'll love these scented tea light candles as much as we do. Buy with confidence and enjoy the delightful fragrance and ambience they create. What we like? It's a big pack with many different scents to choose from, and they burn for hours. If you are throwing a party or need candles for an event, this is the one for you. Its variety of scents makes it perfect for any occasion, and the large quantity ensures you'll always have some on hand. You'll never run out. What people say. It smells amazing, is made of soy, has 3 wicks and weighs a whopping 16 ounces. The glassware that the candle is in is gorgeous by itself. It's made with solid, heavy glass that's uniquely shaped with a beautiful iridescent pink-colored glass. It was far bigger than we expected, looked incredible, and it smelled amazing. Number 4. Eucalyptus Leaf Tea Lights. Experience the refreshing scent of eucalyptus with our premium tea light candles. They're made with natural essential oils for a clean and invigorating burn. These tea lights feature a clear cup, designed to cast a beautiful, bright light in any candle holder. Enjoy the warm glow and calming ambience. They're crafted in the USA with natural and essential oils, and a clean-burning, lead-free wick. It's a completely non-toxic way to enjoy a lovely scent. Each candle is carefully hand-poured using our classic food-grade paraffin wax blend. This ensures a strong and consistent scent throw. These tea lights are highly scented and designed to burn evenly, all the way to the bottom, providing hours of fragrant enjoyment. Each pack contains 6 tea lights, each measuring 1.5 inches in diameter and burning for approximately 5 hours. Enjoy the relaxing scent and light for hours. What we like? If you value quality and a clean burn, this is the option for you. Made in the USA with natural ingredients, it provides a refreshing and clean scent that's perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere. What people say. They are a true tea light size. They fit into any tea light designed candle holder. Lovely nice aroma keeps rooms smelling wonderful. Got them today, burning tonight. They are so fresh, clean, and burned exactly as long as said they would. Finally, a nice tea candle that does not cause headaches and you want to stay outside and not leave to get away from the smell. Number 3. DEYBBY Ocean Breeze Tea Lights. Experience the calming scent of ocean breeze with our new aromatherapy candles. Each candle provides up to 4 hours of soothing fragrance. This set includes 24 beautifully scented tea light candles, perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself. They're ideal for creating a relaxing atmosphere. Made with natural soy wax, these candles burn cleanly and evenly, releasing a pure, fresh scent without soot or carcinogens. Enjoy a guilt-free indulgence. The refreshing ocean breeze fragrance uplifts your mood, relieves stress, and promotes relaxation. Let it transport you to a tranquil oasis. These candles are perfect for any room in your home or office. Use them in candle holders, or simply enjoy their soft glow on their own. Transform your space into a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. These candles are a perfect addition to your home decor and a great way to unwind after a long day. What we like? These soy wax candles have a calming ocean breeze scent and are perfect for aromatherapy. If you're looking to create a relaxing atmosphere and enjoy aromatherapy, this is the perfect choice. The calming scent helps reduce stress and anxiety, making it ideal for relaxation and self-care. Its soothing aroma is perfect for creating a peaceful environment in your home. What people say. These candles burn well and come in perfect clear cups. The fragrance is amazing. I lit one at about 1 a.m., it is now 7 a.m., and it is still burning. The scent is lovely too. Number 2. IKEA Sinnlig Scented Tealights. Experience the warm glow and inviting aroma of our new vanilla scented tea lights. They're perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any room. Enjoy a consistent, beautiful color and pleasant vanilla fragrance from start to finish. It's colored and scented all the way through. This pack contains 30 tea lights, providing ample illumination and fragrance for your home. Always have a supply on hand for any occasion. Each tea light is housed in a sleek, durable aluminum cup. This ensures a clean and safe burn every time. These tea lights have a diameter of 112 inches and burn for approximately 4 hours each. They're easy to use and add a touch of elegance to your space. Transform your home with the enchanting scent of vanilla and the soft, flickering light of these beautiful tea lights. It's the perfect way to unwind and relax. What we like. This pack contains many vanilla-scented candles that burn evenly. If you love the smell of vanilla and want a consistent burn, this is for you. The even burn ensures that you get the most out of each candle, and the pleasant vanilla scent creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's a great option for those who appreciate a consistent and enjoyable candle burning experience. What people say. These candles are nice burning and smell wonderful if you like vanilla. I use them in my glass baby hand-blown glass candle holders. The scent is good and last. The scent is soft and long-lasting. Great candles. Number 1. COCODOR Tea Rose Tea Lights. Experience the enchanting aroma of our tea rose tea light candles. These beautifully scented candles are perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere in your home. The fragrance is soft yet deep, reminiscent of freshly steeped rose petals. It's a rich and alluring scent, perfect for relaxation and self-care. They're made with high-quality paraffin wax and a 100% cotton wick, ensuring a clean and long-lasting burn time of 4 to 5 hours. Each candle is carefully poured in Italy, using only the finest materials. You can trust in their superior quality and craftsmanship. These versatile candles are ideal for everyday use, or to enhance special occasions like weddings, birthdays, or holidays. They add a touch of elegance to any setting. Light these candles and let the captivating scent of roses fill your space, creating a romantic and inviting atmosphere. Their compact size makes them perfect for any room, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home decor. What we like. These candles have a sophisticated tea rose scent and a long burn time. If you appreciate quality in a luxurious scent, this is the candle for you. Made in Italy with high-quality ingredients, it offers a rich and long-lasting fragrance that will fill your space with elegance. It's a perfect choice for those who appreciate quality craftsmanship and a sophisticated scent. What people say. The scent fills my room after just 1 hour of burning. Also, it can be turned off and re-solidifies, so I sometimes reuse them and have only gotten about halfway through them. The scent also lasts a while after they are turned off. They have a lovely realistic rose smell. I use them for meditation and love the fact the smell of roses linger long after I finish meditating. Very pleased that the wick does not give off a black smoke like some candles do. These are quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.